want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
We're going to be talking about the Emperor Tarot card. This card is all about leadership, authority, and structure. So, if you're looking to take charge of your life or your business, this card is definitely one to pay attention to. Description of the card. The Emperor is depicted as a powerful figure sitting on a throne, holding a scepter and an orb. He represents structure, order, and control. This card is all about taking charge and being a leader. It's about setting boundaries, making decisions, and being confident in your abilities. Meaning of the card. When the Emperor card appears in a reading, it's a sign that you need to take control of your life. You need to be confident in your abilities and take charge of your situation. This card is all about structure and order, so it's a good time to set boundaries and make decisions that will help you achieve your goals. How to apply the card's meaning? So, how can you apply the Emperor card's meaning to your life? Well, start by taking charge of your situation. Set boundaries and make decisions that will help you achieve your goals. Be confident in your abilities and don't be afraid to take risks. Remember, the Emperor is all about structure and order, so make sure you have a plan in place and stick to it. Conclusion. So, that's it for today's video on the Emperor Tarot card. I hope you found this information helpful and that you can apply it to your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.